YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I have a very special edition. This is a picture of my dad, and this is a picture of my family, and we're not the typical Black American family because we're actually Jamaican Americans. And so today I'm gonna prepare for you a dish that I call Jamaican scrambled eggs, which is actually ackee and saltfish. So my dad's gonna explain how to make it, and we're gonna show you how to make it. So let's get at it.
Then, once you boil it 2 times, you take it out, throw it in the colander, and make it, you take a piece, taste it, a little more salt. So you just take your finger now and break it up and run water on it, and you taste it, periodically, see. When you can't run out all the salt, okay? If you ever run out all the salt, it tastes terrible.
Oh, really?
So you taste that when you see it's not salty. That's it done. You get it. Depends on the brand ackee you buy.
Yeah, there's the one in the brain.
All them come in brand.
Oh, is that fine? Some of them come in something else.
No, all them
All
come
of
in
them
brand.
brand?
All
Oh,
them
okay.
come in brand. You have one named Tree Ripe. Tree Ripe. If you don't know about it, you can't. It will never come out right. Tree Ripe is the one that it stays hard. So what you do, when you're gonna use that one, you boil it for 10 minutes. And you don't just boil it for 10 minutes and take it out. You take a fork, pick out one, stir it around, pick out one, taste it tender, pick out another one tender, you're good, you cut it off. Pour it out in the colander, but in the meantime, you want to cut up your scallion, onions, tomato, and if you want to put pepper in it, put it, and then you can get any oil, good, but I use coconut oil, make it taste better. You put it, you start cook up the seasoning first. Then once you figure the saltfish is good, throw it in, let it stay there and cook. By this time, you boil ackee alright, throw it off in colander. You put black pepper in it, and you put a piece.
You drain it out first.
Yeah, you can drain it. You can use the water.
Right.
And then you just dump it in, and then you just take your time and fold it in. Fold it in. That is the saltfish.
Because you don't want to break the ackee.
And,
you don't?
And then you want the saltfish distributed over it. And that's it. And
1 pound of
then when you're done, just bring some black pepper over it, and that kick it up a notch.
1 pound of ackee.
Do a 1 pound of Scotch bonnet?
No.
Hey YouTube friends and family, today I'm cooking, or I'm not cooking, my dad's cooking Jamaican ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. We're gonna go through the steps, and then when you finish, you'll be a certified Jamaican cook. So let's get at it.
So as soon as it starts boiling up, there we got it made.
And so how long do you have to cook the fish after you
I just trying to make these onion and stuff.
Yeah.
Cook.
But you cook the onion before you put the fish in.
It was just cooked, but I put the fish in to season it. So when you eat it,
And so that's a pound and a
fish?
half. That's a pound and a half of fish.
Yeah.
And then you got the ackee here.
3 can ackee.
3 cans though.
Then I put 4.
Oh, you put 3. Oh, you put 4 cans?
Sometimes.
Oh.
Sometimes I cook and come up here. See? Alright now. I'm gonna make it taste as fish, and I'll bet you it should have taste more like pepper. That's a piece of pepper. Tastes like pepper now?
No. So a pound and a half of salted fish. The step I didn't show you is that you have to actually take the salted fish out of the pack. You have to boil it twice, then rinse it, and then you mash it with your hands. And then what you see putting in there right now, instead of vegetable oil, That's coconut oil. So coconut oil give it a nice flavor. Better than vegetable oil, and definitely don't use olive oil.
Oh yeah,
that'll ruin the taste. Olive oil has the taste is too strong.
yeah.
And then if you look in there, there's just one pepper, one Scotch bonnet pepper, only for seasoning. And yeah, you take that out afterwards, so you don't leave
All
the
right,
pepper.
see
in.
that now?
Yeah.
All right.
And then 3 cans of Ackee, which is a poisonous Jamaican vegetable.
Don't say that, man.
But it's not poisonous when it's in the can. But if you eat it off the tree, you will not survive. No followers yet.
Okay.
All right, so you got the peppers in there, which is not hot. Yo, Brandon, taste that. It's definitely not hot. This
All right.
saltfish, taste it. Just taste
Pick
it.
up that from me. I don't want to drop it.
He talking about he can taste the pepper. I can't taste the pepper at all. You can't taste the pepper in there, right?
Brandon,
No.
bring the pot. Pick up the pot for me.
Which one, the Ackee pot?
Yeah.
Marcus, you don't like hot, right? All right, so come taste this then. So you don't want the Ackee too spicy. I mean, because if you make it too spicy, then only one person can eat it.
Oh, we all look at that.
I taste a hint of pepper.
Give me a spoon there.
It's not hot,
I
right?
got high tolerance on pepper.
No, he got low tolerance, so I know if he can eat it. He like Gabriel, so if he can eat it, it's not hot.
You can taste a little bit on the back end, but nothing serious.
Yeah. So that's good. So 1 pepper, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for a whole pound and a half, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out some of this Ackee because you don't want, as my dad said, you don't want saltfish and Ackee. You want Ackee and saltfish. So we're gonna pull some out. No, the nice part about this, so now how can you tell if the Ackee is done? It look the same.
I tasted it already.
Does it get a certain softness?
Yeah. See, there's some of them is those tree ripe you have to worry about. But the other ones, you just drop the water, put the hot water on it.
And then how long you have to cook it after that?
Oh, shucks. All right, see now, what I think I need now? A
More
little-
black pepper.
And a little more saltfish. You see it?
Yeah.
She up the stairs.
She went upstairs.
She probably asleep.
Says she sleep.
Oh, she ain't asleep. All right, guess I know. Oh, you see?
Yeah, so this one's ready. Oh, that's good.
Put on the black pepper.
You need more black pepper though.
Man, I'm telling you, especially the stuff for kids. Oh yeah. And then they keep that the highest paid YouTubers are kids. Man, them kids watch the stupidest stuff. They got what you
All right, YouTube. So that's it. This is your Ackee and saltfish. I don't really have anything else to say. I hope you try it, and I hope you don't get poisoned by the.
Don't say that, man.
Nah, just kidding. Unless you eat off a tree and then you dead. But anyway, this is your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe, like below, and hit that notification bell. All right, we out.
Subscribe right below.